In this video, we will be replacing the stock halogen high beams in this 2018 Toyota Highlander with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. There are no tools needed for this installation. The high beam bulbs are easily accessible under the hood. To remove the halogen bulb, turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Unplug the wire connector by lifting up the tab and pulling it apart. You may find it easier to use something flat like a screwdriver to pry up the locking tab. Install the LED into the housing, being sure that the LED chips will be facing out to the left and right when the bulb is locked in. Next, you can plug the wire connector from the bulb into the car. And we're ready to test it. We notice a common problem with this type of system. The Highlander uses the same bulb for the high beam and the DRL. In DRL mode, the LED lights will flicker because of the pulse width modulation, or PWM, that powers the DRLs. Ayla Lighting offers a solution to stop the flickering with a DRL relay kit. However, the downside to this kit is the DRL will have the same brightness as the high beam, which may be too bright for daytime driving. If you're interested in how to install this kit, please check out our DRL relay kit installation video. You can see in this before and after the clear difference between the stock halogen and the LED. We can now repeat these same steps for the bulb on the other side, and we're ready to take a test drive.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.